today? How are you? You scared? Yes. Don't feel scared. It's not so hard. Linda, did you eat your dinner? Dinner. Did you eat your dinner?
No.
Not yet. Say not yet. Okay. What your lunch? Did you eat lunch, right?
Yes.
Yes. What did you eat for lunch? I eat
Chicken.
chicken. Wow. And rice.
Yes.
Wow. Are you hungry now?
Yes.
Oh, me too. What do you like to eat later? I want to eat soup.
Noodles.
Noodles. Okay. Rice or noodles only? Noodles only.
Noodles.
And no more?
And
No more. Okay. It's okay. Noodles. All right. Let's start our speaking test, Linda.
yes.
Ready? Here, let's start with the following differences. Okay. Ready? Go.
Yes.
You can say in picture 1 and in picture 2. Okay? So easy. Picture 1.
In my picture, the octopus has a hat. But in your picture, the octopus
Hasn't
hasn't
got a hat.
got the hair.
Next.
In my picture,
The train.
yes. In my picture, the mom is talking
With
with the girl, but in your picture, the mom is with the boy,
talking
talking the boy,
with
talking with the boy. In my picture, they have
store.
ice cream store. But in your picture,
There
there is half a hamburger
store. Next.
In my picture, they are half two boys and one girl.
Two boys.
Two boys and one girl. But in your picture, they are half one girl and one boy.
Just say one girl and one boy. Okay.
In my picture, they are half four eggs.
There are
There are
four planes.
But in your picture,
There are
there are five planes. In my picture, the
train is, what's the color of the train?
in my picture, the girl have a bag. Has a bag. But in your picture, the girl
Hasn't got
hasn't got
a
a bag.
bag. Alright, let's move on to exchange information. Information about Emma's and Charlie's magazine. Okay, I will be Emma and you will be Charlie. You have to ask me first. Ready? Go. Hello. What is the name?
What is the name of the magazine?
What is the name of Emma's?
What is the name of Emma's magazine?
The name of Emma's magazine is New Faces.
New.
I will answer. The name of magazine is New Faces. Next. No. What is Emma's magazine about? It's about music. Next. Here, you want to ask Emma? Okay, here is Emma.
What
Is
Emma magazine
Emma's.
is expensive?
Oh no, it's not expensive.
What day Emma get magazine?
Okay, Emma got the magazine on Friday.
Who buys
Magazine.
who buys Emma magazine?
Okay, her dad. Now, hello.
Hello. What's
Oh, I will ask you.
yes?
What's the name of Charlie's magazine?
What's the name?
No,
Is
I will ask you.
Yes.
What is the name of Charlie's magazine?
New place.
Faces. Charlie's magazine. Here.
Is our
Planet.
planet.
What is Charlie's magazine about?
Is animals.
And is Charlie's magazine expensive?
Yes.
Okay, and what day does Charlie get the magazine?
On Tuesday.
And who buys Charlie's magazine?
Is her mother.
His.
His mother.
Okay, now let's move on to the last part. Picture story. Ready? Mary, go.
No, why is it?
Sorry, Linda. Linda, that's right. Go.
In the morning, Sarah and her mom go to the shopping and go home. Mom
Can't find the key in her bag.
Mom can find the keys
In her.
in her bag. Sarah look the window is open. Sarah is
Climb into the.
Sarah is climbed into the window.
Sarah opened the door.
Sarah go home and open the door.
Linda, don't do that. Just look nicely. Okay, and then after that.
And open the door.
And then
And then mom
finds the key.
the keys is in her mom.
Where is the key?
The key is
In
her
her pocket. Okay, say it again. Mom finds the key.
Mom finds the keys.
Finds
Mom finds the key
in her
in her
pocket.
pocket.
Okay, Sarah and her mom
Sarah and her mom
laughed. What is our?
is all
No, is Sarah and her mom laughed.
Sarah
And her mom laughed. Okay, our laughter. Okay. Okay, that's the end. Put your hands on the table. That's the end of our speaking test. Linda, say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Linda. Oh my gosh.